So how many zeros will Shibnobi delete this year? If you ask me, it's gonna be 7. Is it true? I don't know. Nobody knows. Is it wishful thinking? Maybe it is because I'm in the game right now. So maybe it is wishful thinking. Who knows, right? But one thing I can tell you, right, that I've never felt this good about a project in a very long time. I had sworn not to buy any other meme coin at all. I just wanted to invest in Bitcoin and stick to it. I'm still doing that. I'm not I'm not all in on Shibnobi. Just a little bit of like money that I wish to gamble here and there. Yeah, that's what I have in Shibnobi, but nothing much. So let me just be clear. A lot of people have been asking me, why do I think Shibnobi will burn 7 zeros? Is it even possible? It's only possible if they burn a massive amounts of token. If they don't, then it's not. It's not possible, all right? Because it just doesn't make sense with the market cap and all that. All right? So let's jump into my screen now. Let's see what's happening in the crypto market right now. Because I think, all right, I strongly believe that things are going to turn around. Shibnobi will start skyrocketing within the next few days. Maybe 30-40% rise. Why do I think that? Is because Bitcoin is about to turn around. And why is Bitcoin about to turn around? That's because if you know anything about the stock market, this is the earnings season. And last week, Apple reported their earnings and they beat earnings by $5 billion. $5 billion on the top line. They made $5 billion more above the expected revenue. And this trend, I believe, is going to continue because last week we had Apple report earnings, beat earnings massively. Microsoft beat earnings massively. Tesla had one of their best earnings ever. And what else? Visa had a massive earnings beat as well. In the next 2 weeks, we have Facebook reporting earnings. We have Amazon. I'm not sure whether Amazon is reporting or not, but we have all these other companies like Google and Square and all these companies that are going to report earnings. And if Apple managed to beat earnings so by such a huge margin of $5 billion, it's expected that Facebook will do so because it was a holiday quarter, right? In Q4, what happens? People buy a lot of things, and this Q4, this December 2021 was basically a December that in most parts of the world, there were less restrictions. People could hang out with their family and friends. People could go out, people could travel. And that's the reason why there was a little bit of euphoria in terms of the spending in the market. And that's the reason why all these companies are reporting such huge numbers. Visa posted some of the best earnings ever. And that's because the e-commerce activity in Q4 of 2021 was one of the best e-commerce quarters ever. And what does Visa do? They help with transactions. And most of the transactions come through online payments, right? So in the next 2 weeks, Facebook will beat earnings. I have no doubt about that in my mind. Amazon will, Square will, another payments processing company. And all these other companies will definitely do better than were expected. And what's that going to do? That's going to send the stock prices rising high. And if you have been following the market, if you have been following the stock market, you would have noticed by now that whatever happens here as well in the crypto market. Bitcoin will continue moving up. With today's momentum over here, the market just opened an hour ago. And if this is the scene here in the stock market, just mark my words, in the next few hours or maximum 1 day, everything here will be green. Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, everything will be green. And when Bitcoin is green, what happens to Shibnobi? Shibnobi will be in the green as well. It's already inching upwards as you can see. It's only down by 0.7% in the past 24 hours. And once the momentum kicks in, the price is going to go soaring high. Alright, I like to look at macro data. I'm more of a macro person, so I like looking into this and drawing the correlations. And right now I have seen a strong correlation between the stock market and the crypto market. It's almost laughable how easy it is to predict what the crypto market will do in the short term, meaning to say 1 to 2 days, by just looking at what's happening in the stock market. Will this always be the case? Of course not. It is the case now, and I'm leveraging with this the information that I have. Yeah, whether Shibnobi will kill 7 zeros or kill whatever many zeros, I don't know about that, but that's more of a wishful thinking on my end. Like I said, if they burn a huge amount of tokens, yes, they will burn, but if they don't, then it's just gonna be what it is, and who cares, right? If it goes up 30-40% or it goes up 300-400%, that's what we are here for. Make money, get out. Don't marry any coin, don't marry any stock. Unless the stock is a really good stock that is going to always remain relevant, then just, buy and hold forever, like what Warren Buffett does. But for coins like this, you make money and you get out. Now, Shibnobi made a huge announcement today. They partnered with Martin Kove from the Karate Kid. And these are the kinds of partnerships that you need. Right? We don't need partnerships with adult entertainers like what Shibnobi Inu did. I have lost respect for that project. Nothing wrong with that kind of work, but that's just, it's irrelevant to the crypto space. That just doesn't make sense. Why would you have adult entertainers promoting your coin? This is good. Let's just watch this video.
Martin Kove, the sensei, but now will be known as the Shinja sensei. Looking forward to working with Shibnobi for all our promos and everything else. I'll see you then.
So I'm gonna see you guys again when this goes up by another 30%, because I think the market is going to turn around right now, and the rally is gonna start soon. Yeah, that's what I think. The rally is going to start soon. Let me know if you see a correlation between the stock market and the crypto market. So that's it. Thanks for watching and have a great day.